In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can smoothly link your website to your Mailchimp account and start syncing your contacts without any confusion. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. After you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel there. In that panel, find the option labeled Integrations and click on it. This is where Mailchimp lets you connect to other platforms, including Wix. Once the integrations page has loaded, look for the search bar, usually near the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type Wix, then press enter on your keyboard. Mailchimp will now show you a list of matching integrations based on your search. In the search results, locate the Wix integration and click on it. This will open the dedicated Wix page within Mailchimp. Give it a moment to load fully. When the page is ready, you'll see an option to connect. Click the Connect button to start the integration process. The page will refresh and you'll be taken to a screen that outlines the steps Mailchimp will follow to connect with your Wix site. At the bottom right corner of this page, you should see a Continue button. Click Continue to move forward. A small pop-up window will now appear. This is where you choose which Wix website you want to connect to Mailchimp. If you have multiple sites in your Wix account, make sure to select the correct one. Click on the site you want to use and the pop-up will reload. Next, the pop-up will show you what kind of access you're granting Mailchimp. This typically includes permission to view and sync contacts and related data from your Wix site. Take a moment to review these permissions so you're comfortable with what's being shared. When you're ready, click Agree and Add. The pop-up will close automatically. Now, wait for the main page to reload. Once it finishes, you'll see the sync settings for your new Wix Mailchimp connection. Review these settings carefully to make sure they match how you want your contacts and data to be synced. When everything looks good, click Sync Now to finalize the connection and start the synchronization process. And that's it. Your Wix site is now connected to Mailchimp, and your data will begin syncing based on the settings you've chosen.